Hello everyone, welcome to new video. In this video, we will show a lot of single wooden door ideas. If you like these ideas, like the video and click the subscribers button of 90 Addiction YouTube channel where you can find die and decorated ideas. And cannot forget, press the bell icon for latest or more interested video. So let's start it. The single wooden door ideas. Here are some types of wooden door ideas. Curved wooden door ideas. A wooden door with the interactive curving can add a touch of elegance and sophistication to your entryway. And number 2 is the rusting wooden door ideas. Rusting wooden door with the distressed finish can add a charming farmhouse feel to your home. Number 3 is arched wooden door. A arched wooden door can add a touch of grandeur to your home, especially if you have interested decorating hardware. Number 4, sliding wooden door ideas. About door can save space and add a modern touch to your home. Number 5, strand wooden door. A strand wooden door can bring out the natural beauty of a wooden gate and add a warmth to your home. Number 6 is painted wooden door ideas. A painted wooden door can add a pop of color to your home exterior or interior. Number 7 is planed wooden door ideas. A planed wooden door ideas. Door can add depth and texture to your entryway. Barn style. A barn wooden door ideas. Wooden door can add a rustic country feel to your home. Number 9 is double wooden door. In double wooden door, if you have a wider entryway, a pair of wooden door can add a dynamic effect and create a grand entrance. Remember to you in your mind, remember always choose a high quality of wooden door ideas, durable wooden door that can withstand weather conditions and many of years to come. So here are some tips and tricks about wooden door ideas and the types of wooden door ideas where you can selecting from these ideas and choose at your home. If you buying these ideas, like the video and keep up in the mind, these are the points and exterior points which you keep up in the mind when you are buying these ideas, buying these wooden doors. So if you like these ideas, like the video and click the subscribe button of 90 Addiction YouTube channel where you can find a lot of ideas, where you can't search about many ideas. You also search on YouTube and 90 Addiction where many ideas which you make our videos about our thinking. So like the video and click the subscribers button of 90 Addiction YouTube channel. The qualities of wooden door ideas can vary depending on the type of wood you are using, the style and the intended use. Here are some general qualities to be considered for the wooden door ideas. Durability. A quality wooden door can be durable and a long lasting, able to withstand weather conditions and everyday wear to tear. Number 2 is natural beauty. Wooden doors can showcase the natural grain and texture of wood, adding warmth and character to your home. Number 3 is the quality of customizability. Wooden door can be customized to fit the style and the design of your home with various fresh colors and the hardware options. Number 4 is insulation. Wood door can provide good insulation, helping to keep up your mind and your home warm in the winter and the cool in the summer. Soundproofing. Soundproofing is the main quality of the wooden door ideas. Thick solid wood door can help to block out noise, providing a pure and more peaceful environment. Number 6 is eco-friendliness. Wooden door can be made from sustainable and renewable sources, making them environmentally friendly options. Here are some other qualities such like security. Solid door wooden door can be provide an added layer of security to your home, and as they are difficult to break or damage. This is the main quality of the wooden door ideas. This is the security. Number 8 is low maintenance. With the proper care and the maintenance, wooden door can be remain in good condition for the many years without requiring frequently repair or a replacement. These are the qualities, some qualities of wooden door ideas. And when choosing a wooden door, it's important to consider these qualities and selecting a door that meets your mind and specific need to your preferences. If you like these ideas, like the video and click the subscribe button of 90 Diction YouTube channel, where you can find a lot of ideas along a lot of mindset. If you like these ideas, like the video and cannot forget press the bell icon of 90 Diction YouTube channel. Here are the other wooden doors can be used for the various purposes in both residential and the commercial setting. Here are the some common uses for the wood door. Number 1 is entry door. If you are using entry doors, keep up in the mind, wooden doors are the popular choice for the entry doors due to their durability, natural beauty, and the ability to provide insulation and security. Is the main point for we use entry doors as the wooden door. Number 2 is interior door. Wooden door can be used for the interior doors such as the bedroom door, closet door, and the bathroom door. They can add warmth and character to your home, and while also providing privacy and the security. Number 3 is French door. French doors are typically made of wood and can be used as the interior exterior options to create elegant and classic look while letting natural light in. Number 4 is patio door. Wooden patio doors can be used to create an indoor-outdoor connections while providing insulation and the security. Number 5 is garage door. Wooden garage door can be add a rustic and traditional look to your home's exterior while also providing security for your car and the belongings. Number 6 is commercial doors. Wooden door can be also used in the commercial settings such as office building, restaurant, retail stores. They can add a professional and inviting touch while also providing security and the insulation. Here are the some features for the usage of wooden door ideas. When selecting a wooden door for a specific use, it is important to consider the durability, style, and the maintenance requirement for the door to ensure meets needs and will last for the years to come. Here are the some qualities and the qualities and the features and where we usage of this door. I would describe. If you like these ideas, like the video and click the subscribers button of 90 Diction YouTube channel and press the bell icon for latest or more interested wooden door and many metal art, just like you can metal art, wooden door, garden ideas and many ideas which we are uploading on 90 Diction YouTube channel, where you can find it and also take advantage from these ideas. And if you like these ideas, like this video and also share own thoughts in your comment box. So don't forget to press the bell icon for latest or more interested video. Here the cost of wooden door can vary depending on the several factors, including a type of wood, the size of wood, and the design and style, and the hardware used. There are some essential price ranges for wooden door. Entry door, a solid door entry which costs anywhere from $500 to $5,000, depending upon the site design and the hardware which are using here. And number 2 is interior door. Wooden door ideas range from $100 to $1,000, depending upon which is same size, style, and the finishing ideas. here are the some features of wooden door idea.